definitely, Muni. I think we cannot emphasize enough how important your diet is. It's paramount. It's the most important thing for good skin, good hair, good health. We all eat constantly throughout the day, breakfast, lunch, dinner, in between snacking. So it is a cycle for us. So whatever we are putting inside is going to reflect outside. So be a conscious, एक थोड़ा सा conscious effort डालें to improve your diet. Indian diet is a little higher on carb, तो उसका थोड़ा सा effort हम डाल सकते हैं कि we can replace few things and make few adjustments here and there, ताकि हमारी diet should be low in carbs, high in protein, at the same time should be nourishing enough. Have a rainbow diet, fruits खाएं. Suman, grey hair, again, it's just part of life. हम एज तो कर ही रहे हैं सबके सब, but yes, premature graying of the hair is a concern. A lot of teenagers, even young adults, suffer from premature graying of the hair. Multivitamins आप ले सकते हैं. The Cureskin has very wonderful gummies available. You can try that, which is also excellent source for all multivitamins and minerals required for healthy hair growth, to decrease hair fall, and also to some extent prevent if the deficiency is the cause premature graying की. इसके अलावा कुछ solutions भी available हैं which you can talk to your doctor, जिसे आपको continuously लगाना है सुबह शाम, and you will feel कि आपके over a period of time जो hair है वो dark होने लगेंगे. But that can take very long. We need to find out the cause. अगर genetic cause है, unfortunately not much can be done. Age के साथ साथ अगर जो graying हो रही है उसके लिए balanced diet, balanced workout, good lifestyle, sleep, these are key things. तो ये तो आपको करनी ही है. इसके अलावा good skin care routine, a good hair care routine, oiling your hair frequently, making sure कि आपकी life stress free हो. So these things can go a very long way in the long run.